Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I feel like I always say that every time I post a video. And I believe the last time you guys saw my hair was a lot shorter than this. And I really never got on here to explain to you guys why my hair was short. And pretty much, I just wanted to start over. That's pretty much the bottom line. So I'm coming at you guys today with a hair tutorial on this hairstyle that I've been seeing all over social media and different variations, and the variation that I chose was inspired by Tia Becker from Love and Hip Hop Atlanta. This is like how hers was braided down a little bit more before the curly hair began versus at the nape of the neck. So that's what I'm going to be doing. And first I'm starting out with applying my edge control all over the base of my hair and at my edges. And I also pull this little piece out on the side. And later on I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm going to do with that piece. So I'm just doing my edges a little bit, not too crazy. I really don't know how to do baby hairs too much anyway, so I just do the best that I can. First I'm going to start out with cornrolling my own natural hair. I did add some braiding hair to my braid just to make the braid a little bit thicker, and it also allows the style to last a little bit longer. And I'm going to do my best to show you guys how I'm adding the braiding hair to my hair. And I hope you guys already know how to cornrow before you attempt to add hair to your hair. So yeah, you definitely don't have to add hair to your hair if you don't want to. It's not required. The style will still look okay. I just wanted my particular braid to be a little bit thicker, and definitely if your hair is already longer than mine and thick, you definitely don't have to add braiding hair. But like I said, it do allows for the style to last a little bit longer as well, so you know, the choice is yours. Doing two braids is not the easiest style to do, especially when adding hair, just because it's so much hair in one braid. And I definitely struggle when I get towards the middle and the back of my hair. So just take your time and be patient. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because you can always go back, you know, after you're done braiding and add gel or edge controls to those areas where you struggled a little bit. So I just picked up this curly hair from the beauty supply store. It doesn't have to be anything expensive. I was just looking for the particular curl pattern that I wanted, so I went with this water wave curl pattern. So I'm just going to take my needle and thread, and I'm going to first fold the track in half just to speed everything up, so I won't have to wrap too much around my braid. Okay, after I've already braided my hair down, or my cornrow down to the part where I wanted to stop, I just tied the end so it'll stop the braid and hold the braid, and the rest of the hair I left loose. So I'm just parting off a section of the hair that I'm going to use after I wrap the curly hair around my braid. So I'm going to start out with just plaiting the ends of the hair loosely, just so I can have something to sew the curly hair onto. So now I'm just going to take the track hair and begin to sew it onto the braid. You just want to make sure that the curly hair is secure. I mean, you don't have to sew it too much, as you're going to see as the video goes on. I'm going to wrap the hair. I'm going to sew it down, and then I'm going to wrap the hair a few times, and I'm going to sew. I'm going to wrap the hair a few times more, and then we're going to sew. I just want to make sure that the hair is secure, but I don't want to sew too much because, you know, we're trying to get done here. And don't worry about the track showing in between the parts that you're sewing. You don't have to make the track super close, because once everything is sewn around, the curly hair is going to hide all of that, and then towards the end we're going to brush the curls out, so it definitely will cover the track. So don't worry about sewing it too close together. So during this part, I kind of did struggle a little bit because it didn't work out the way I pictured it in my head. So I just kind of went with the flow. So first I just took a little bit of edge control and just smoothed the hair out. And then I began to wrap it around the track hair just so the track wouldn't show. Then I went in with my holding spray and sprayed it just to make it hold, because I actually did attempt to use a bobby pin to hold it, but the bobby pin wasn't going through the hair and it just wasn't working out. So I just took some holding spray and I got to be glued and prayed that it stayed, and it did for the most part. So if you come up with any other idea to make it stay, feel free to do so, but this is just what I did. And like I said, it did stay for the most part, but as the days went on, it did start to frizz up, so I did have to touch it up. And I would say this style lasted me about a week because my hair is natural. So at the ends, towards the ends of my hair, my natural hair started to frizz away from the braid, which is normal, and I anticipated. So you just have to expect that with natural hair, and definitely if your hair is shorter. So now I'm just going to brush out the curls just to, you know, make it look a little bit more natural and full. And that was that. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know if you have any questions or anything. Don't forget to like and thumbs up and comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.